Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid Fills here from Mechanic Investors, and today I'm going through the trades that I took. As you can see right here, the closed positions. I took NIO and PayPal short, and we will go through these trades together. I got a lot of questions asking how did I find the top on PayPal and how did I find the absolute top for the day on NIO, and literally it just milked the whole move. So that being said, let's dive into the trades. First of all, I go from the top at the bottom. Just quick reminder here, guys, we're having a class over the weekend. Link is going to be in the description. And since you're at it, if you can do me a favor, please like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends and fellow traders. We're trying to grow as much as we can here. And we're trying to bring in value. These videos take time, and explaining stuff takes time from my personal life, right? So anyways, this being said, let's dive into PayPal, which is the first trade of the day. I missed the open for some personal reasons, unfortunately. And what I saw is I was going through my tickers that I have for the week, and I saw that PayPal pulled all the way down. This is the daily. Each candle represents one day. And then what I saw is yesterday gapped down and it bounced, and today it bounced all the way up. So back in my mind when I saw the intraday, so if we go to the intraday, well, at some point it's gonna show. Here we go. When I showed up to my desk, I saw PayPal making this pullback and then bounced back up, right? So bounced back up. What I did is I took a small short on it, just to get a feel on the trade, right? You don't usually have to go full size right away. You just have to make sure that when you enter with the small size, you'll be able to make rational decisions, especially if you're going in the front side. I categorize this as a front side on a pullback. So over under, I have the top of the day over under, see if it's gonna hold or not. And this is what I said in chat. By the way, all these trades today were called in chat. If you're not in chat, go to my Twitter at Rapid Fills, and you will see the link for the classroom this week, and you will see the link for the chat. It's free. We have live screen share, and you will be able to learn from us, me and Stock Operator, and the other moderators in the room about these trades. Anyway, so I saw the pullback on PayPal coming back up. I took a small position. As you can see, I took a small position on PayPal, and then as it rejected the top of the day, the high of the day, I added to my position as a full position. Now I have a hard stop around the 192, which is the 92, which is the top of the day at that point. And I just waited for my next support. My next support was here where the stock bounced off of, and I just took as I approached this level, and then I said in chat right here, as you can see, 190 is the key level, and then I still have quarter at that point, right? And if it's gonna break it, I'm gonna add, and this is exactly what I did. 190 broke, I added, and I took profit on the next level. So we're looking at from 192, 191.70s here, all the way to 188.80s or so, which is the lowest cover here. So these are the type of trades that we do. Let's go back. Let's go to the other ticker of the day, which is NIO. Here we go. So NIO, as you can see, it was holding trend, right? Holding trend. And then what I said in chat was watch that level on here. So I said 39.75 is the zone I want to watch on NIO. And literally the top of the day today was 39.75. Why? If you want to know why, make sure to join us in the class on the weekend. We're going to have a free class per your email. Limited spots, going to be on Zoom. That's why you have to put your email, so we will send you an invitation so you'll be able to join our free class. Anyways, that being said, I nailed the top. Obviously, this is a front side. So what I'm looking for is short in the front side, and it comes back to that trend line. This is what I want to cover. At this point, it's not the back side yet until it breaks the trend line. Perfect. So I shorted, covered some here, And then when it broke the trend line, this is what I knew. That's it. This is the time where the stock is gonna actually pull back. So let me zoom in for you. So short take cover, and I added to my position, and now I'm full size, and I started taking profits as it's going down. As you can see, per every line I have, it represents a support and resistance, right? All the way at the VWAP, and then I had a break even stop right here, and then when it bounced, obviously at this point the stock. Okay, here we go. So the stock, it's flirting with this trend line right here. I should have added, but I was in, and I don't know where what happened to my line. Here we go. So I don't know what I should have added right here when it broke, but I actually just didn't want to ruin my average because I thought this thing is going to bounce at some point a little bit higher, and I don't want the stock to stop me. So I just kept my position, and I was taking profits as it goes, right? Main support and resistance. My computer is being super slow right now. So you can see I nailed the top, and then I took profits around 39.40s. As you can see, it's a support, and then I added with the break of the trend line and the break of the 39.40s, and then it came down to the next support. I took profit, round number, which is the 39. I took more profits, and then it came down to this support right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me zoom in. So and then we have another support right here. I took some more profit, and then when we were needing the VWAP, I took some more profit, and I nailed the bottom of that candle. The stock bounces, comes back down. This is the pre-market high. I took some profits in front of it, and then it came back down, and then we have another level right here that I was looking at, and then I just decided to take some more profits down here around the 37.50s, and just leave the rest all the way to this pivot right here, 36.50. So I walked the stock from 39.75 all the way down to 36.50s or so. And this one coincides with Stock Operator. He literally just calls that as I'm covering my short, and I said I'm all out. He goes, I'm looking for a sharp bounce on NIO right here, exactly when I covered my position right there, as you can see. And he just calls $1 long bounce on NIO. Anyways, if you guys want to learn more about this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more videos like this to learn from. Make sure to join the Discord. It's free, link in the description. And we're hosting a live free class this weekend. Make sure to attend. Link in the description. Put your email. We will send you a link on Saturday. For you to join the class, and information will be there when you click on the link. So stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.